Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the CC RepeTile effect, which makes it very easy to generate seamless patterns and to make some pretty cool background designs. So here I have a 1920 by 1080 pixel composition. First, I'm just going to drag this pattern of a Christmas sweater onto the composition. I'll make sure it's aligned in the center. Then I'm going to come up to the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see that, just go to Window and make sure you check Effects and Presets. In the search field, I'm just going to start typing in RepeTile, so R-E-P-E. You should see under Stylize CC RepeTile. I'm just going to drag it right onto the pattern layer. With the layer selected in the Layers panel, I'll go up to the Effect Controls to customize the CC RepeTile effect. You see we have these options here: expand right, left, down, and up. And if I just click and change the value, you see it's creating this seamless pattern to the right, to the left, down, and up. I'm just going to click Reset to go back to the default values. I'm just going to enter in 1000 and see if that covers the entire composition. Looks like it does. So I'll enter in 1000 for all the other values. And just like that, you have yourself a seamless background. Pretty cool. And to generate some custom looks for your patterns, go to Tiling here. You'll see a drop-down menu, and you'll see you have a whole bunch of different options. Just scroll through these and try to find a look that you like. In this case, we don't need blend borders, but if you're using a graphic where you need to try to adjust the seams in between, you can use this. But in this case, we'll just leave it at 0. You can use the CC RepeTile on text. You can use it on logos, graphics. And of course, you can animate any of the properties that have a stopwatch next to it. And that is how to use the CC RepeTile effect in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.